Hello everyone, I am Ashish and I'm back with a new topic. And this time, this pandemic, I cover at least one topic in a week. So I'm trying to cover as much as possible. So this time we are talking about how we can download and install Liferay bundle. Okay, the Liferay bundle is all about to having a plain Liferay server and install on the local. To have that bundle on your local and up and running. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Let's get started with that. I have shared my screen. So you can see this is the one website. The source code is there. So what I can do, I can give that particular URL in the description, and you can go over that particular URL in the browser. And you can see there are lots of resources that are available of them. Okay, so I'm downloading a one Tomcat. Okay, and that Tomcat can be anyone. Okay, like the 6.2 GA1, GZ, and all everything. There are lots of things out there. Okay, that GZ. So it's up to you, whichever you want it. So you can download it. So I have downloaded on my local. So that is there. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to have on your local, extract it. That was GC, not art, or not again. It will take some seconds. Now I can see things are here. Okay, now I'm going inside it. I can see lots of different type of folders. Okay, so if you just need to run on your a local on your server, what you need to do, you just need to come here on this particular directory, go inside the Tomcat. There is a bin. You can open a CMD here and do the start.bat. Now you can see things are here, things are not here. Okay, the Java home itself not available. So what I need to do, there are two ways to do that. Either we have the Java home set on our system, or to have the set path. Okay, so what I would need to do, I just need to go on the configuration, advanced settings, advanced variables, just see the path is there or not. Path is here, add it. Okay, so you have seen, so that is there, but that is not the path. Okay, which actually the life is looking for. So what we need to do, we just need to go on the JDK. Okay, what we need to do, we need to go here, create a new. What is the exception? See, Java underscore home. So what we need to create, Java underscore home. Okay, and put that particular thing here. That's it. Anything else we need to do? No. Okay, perfect. Need to close it, coming back here, CMD, start the project. So what you need to do, you just need a JDK on your system. Okay, set the part up to the before the bin of the Java as an environment variable, and then you can just hit the server.bat, startup.bat. Yeah, if you'll do it, the library will be going to start. So always, as I also mentioned in the multiple videos as well, that always try to understand the logs. So as you can see here, we are just directly starting a Liferay. Okay, we are not doing anything. So by default, Liferay is using a hypersonic database. So Liferay is configured to use a hypersonic as a database. So autoplay, nothing, just a platform system. So basically, whenever you are going to start on the Liferay, you really needed this particular to have the configuration with the MySQL. So I'll be adding a one more configuration and I'll be to have that particular link which is having a MySQL configuration. Yeah, here you can see. It's here. So this particular video talks about only for this video is basically focused on those who are working as a QA, those who just wanted to learn how actually Liferay is. What are the different type of functionality Liferay has, and what are different type of CMS tools type of things. So that particular video talks about that. For that particular mindset people, that this particular video is to have the Liferay on your local, just run it and explore it, nothing else. Okay. These are the default plugins which is coming with the Liferay itself, like the different type of words I'm talking about, a different type of themes which is coming with the Liferay. So my Liferay is started. Okay, so as soon as you can see here, that is started. Okay. Coming here you can see Liferay test and test info. So finish the configuration. So right now I am not having any database, just to run a plain main server, and that's it. Thank you. Putting the password as a test, TEST. That's it. Come on. And we are in. You are as an administrator and you are having full control over the Liferay portal. Do whatever you can do. Have fun, explore more, enjoy more. Till then, bye bye. We'll meet in the next time with a different video. Have safe. Have a good day. Bye bye.